Now you not only just have the home screen, you also have widgets on the cover screen or flex window. So just swipe to the left and you get to your widgets. So you can keep quite a few handy widgets here. So like your call records, alarms, timers, stopwatch, voice recorder, your daily activity and steps, like that. And then you can pinch to zoom to view all of these widgets and switch between them very quickly. Now here is something really interesting that I really like about this cover screen. So if I start any activity on one of these widgets, so let's say I start this stopwatch and then I start the voice recording as well. If I pinch to zoom, I can see these active widgets and their activity live in this pinch to zoom screen. Now you can also add or remove these widgets. So open the phone and then go in widgets, and from here you will see the list of widgets available to you. From here you can add or remove these widgets if you want. So like that, you can add or remove these widgets, and you can also reorder them from this screen.